What? She thinks that's funny. I'm just saying, what y'all?
She likes dogs. Jessica? Yeah. You like that puppy? Don't kiss it and don't hurt it. Just pet it.
Well, them eyes brightened up and she looked at that camera and she...
Walk over here to me, Jessica.
Or would it wake Jared up?
Ain't nothing gonna wake him up. Till he gets ready to
Walk. Let's put. Yeah, don't get so excited. Wait.
go. Most he'll do is roll over maybe, cover his eyes up.
Come on. Hey.
Jessica.
See, she knows you're.
Come here.
Jessica.
Come over this way.
She likes her picture. Come
The way
on.
it works, if you want them to face you, they ain't.
Come on. Come get the crown.
And stop that and rewind it.
Come over this way. Come here, you want this? Look.
Oh, come on.
The nose makes a noise. Look at this.
Come on.
Drunk again.
Try again. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Hi.
What's that?
Hey.
Y'all need to do the same thing we do to my sister. Get y'all a tape. And then like the next time we come to y'all's house, we can bring the camera and stuff. Or if y'all come out here, we need to set the camera up and get our own camera.
Wave.
That's what my big sister does. They used to have a camera, but she don't want to buy another one. And we go out there or something, they do it.
Jessica. Jessica.
There she goes.
Can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Huh? Bye-bye. Hey, bye-bye.
Damn.
Look at here. Look at here.
Jessica.
Look up here. Makes noise, don't it?
She's wild with the toys.
You awful frisky girl for midnight.
No.
Gonna get Jared too.
Yeah, got
Where are you going?
That's bad, Jared. You can let a little 1-year-old get you like this now.
She's talking to the dog. Come on back. Can you turn around yet, or do you know how? No.
They almost.
No.
It amazes me how a kid can see anything on the floor.
She still got it in her hand. I thought you took it away from her.
That's the only reason she was still smiling, because she had it.
Closing it. She didn't close the vent.
Hope you don't get her finger.
Girl.
We went to that kind because we were scared to get Jared's fingers.
Now quit. Don't mess with Jerry. Wait, let's see if she's gonna lay on him. Just leave her alone.
No, she's gonna call her.
Come here, you want Daddy to hold you?
He's going to sleep sitting.
Why don't you lay back down?
He's waking up.
Come here, let Daddy hold you. Jared. Jared Wayne. Come here, let Daddy hold you. Yeah, that's it. Bring the blanket. Say, cover me up, Daddy. There you go. Jessica.
Get it, Jessica.
I wonder what she's gonna do when she does poke a hole in it and it goes flat.
That's why I don't want to spend any money on one. Cause
The things are not that expensive. I think they're like $3 or $4.
$2.94.
I remember when I was little, I had one something like that. I think it was bigger than that though. I killed it with an arrow. I was sword fighting. I had a piece of broken arrow. And I was sword fighting with it and killed it.